We're here at a Chola temple from the 11th century called Brihadishwara Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's amazing because Rajaraja Chola, the king who built it, he moved more stone than the Great Pyramids of Giza. You know, the central Kumbham stone, which is the top of the temple, is 80 tons. When I'm talking about scale, 200 Taj Mahals could easily fit in this temple complex. But those days, they never had cranes or machinery, so how did he do it? He built a 6-kilometer ramp and like horses, bulls, elephants, human beings pushed. So this temple, of course, was built in the 11th century and they didn't have molds. So what did they do? They made drawings. And everything is scripted. So if you look at these scripts, they're written left to right. So the natural order of the universe is left to right, right? Planets move left to right, clocks move left to right. Even when you do pradakshinas and arti of a temple, it's left to right. Even blood circulation of our body moves left to right. So it's the natural order. So the reason this temple, the way it's built, it's so strong, it withstood 6 earthquakes and it has no plastering. So what's the secret? So the construction is such, you see this wall here, this is the outer wall. Then they have a 6-foot cavity corridor and then another inner wall and then an entire hollow structure which goes all the way to the top. So they believe the inner structure is the Jivatma of Shiva and the outer structure is the Paramatma, which allows us to have this inner celestial experience when you enter the Garbhagriha.